Let me give you the reason as to why someone with a brand in 2026 will be easy for them to have a job. Ukiangalia someone like Patrick Wakasoko now amehama ako I think kwa Silot, another company inaitwa Silot. The person most of the people used to think no, the owner of the Kasoko at that time. In real sense is just a sales person. Kitu ilikuwa inamsaidia ni the fact that alikuwa na brand, alikuwa amebrand the company to a point like people walikuwa wanafikiria the company ni yake, na the beauty thing about it is the fact that someone like that akiwa in that company, akitoka in such a company bado atakuwa na the audience, sababu maybe the company was known through its audience. Vitu wanafanya kwa the company ndio zilifanya maybe Patrick akajulikana. Now in 2026 the one of the things that you can build is a personal brand. People know you by your product, what you're selling, who you are, your personality. Now that is what makes sales. Now, as a person who wants maybe to be big in business, ensure you have a brand. Let people relate to product with you, your personality, what you're selling, the person you are. Na at that point, unakuwa umebuild a community. A community is a group of people who believe in what you do online. Na unapataga it's hard for a community ama for the community that you've built maybe kuache, maybe hata tuseme umeacha kuuza that, umeenda kwa other product, utapata the same people wanakusupport sababu they have understood your personality, the kind of person you are, na now they can relate maybe your business with who you are. So in 2026 ensure you have built a personal brand.